Hello guys, how are you? Today we will discuss about Grok problems. Yeah, all this word. So without waiting our time, we move to Grok screen. And first you will log in with your Gmail and you will find this interface. You will click on Imagine and then upload any image. And you will see his picture on the screen, and here you will write prompt what you took from ChatGPT or you created your own. I prefer write your own prompt, or if you take from ChatGPT, then change little bit, because sometimes YouTube can give you any copyright or reuse content error if you take from ChatGPT completely.
So for your safe side, don't use completely ChatGPT content and try to change it a little bit.
Now click on upload arrow and your video will be ready within few seconds. See now Grok give us 2 videos. You can choose one what you like most. Now download this video. We will arrange in our editing software later. Now you have to go to last frame of the video and right click of video and click copy video frame. Now again, you will go Imagine option and paste your copy frame here and type other prompt what you want. Same. Now click upload again and do the same method what we did before.
Again, you will go to end frame and right click on the video and click on copy video frame.
I am going to show you the problem what many of our viewers ask. When we upload picture, it start automatically. This you have to go down on logo, click on setting and click on behavior and disable automatically generated video. This video will not generate automatically. So guys, I hope everything will be clear. Still, you have any question, do comments to me. Guys, in next video, I will give you more tips about Grok with new features. Till next video, take care. Bye bye.